Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Formula 1 in Gran Turismo 7. First, navigate to the World Circuits menu from the main map. Here, you can choose from various tracks to race on. To truly experience Formula 1, you'll need a high-performance open-wheel car. While there isn't a direct Formula 1 car, the Super Formula Dallara SF19 or SF23 are excellent alternatives, offering a very similar feel and performance. Make sure you have sufficient in-game credits for your purchase. Once in Brand Central, head to the Asia-Oceania section to find the Super Formula Dallara SF19 or SF23. These incredible machines boast around 700 horsepower and weigh approximately 600 kilograms, providing an authentic open-wheel racing sensation. After acquiring your car, dive into the tuning shop. Focus on adjusting downforce for better grip through corners, and fine-tune your suspension and brake balance to match your driving style perfectly. With your car ready, select a race event from the World Circuits that permits custom vehicle selection. Before the race, consider your tire strategy. Racing hard or medium tires are often good choices for endurance and grip. Pay close attention to fuel consumption and tire wear during practice to plan your pit stops effectively. A well-timed pit stop can be the difference between winning and losing. Also, dedicate time to qualifying to secure a favorable grid position. Mastering Formula 1 style driving requires precision. Always aim to follow the racing line for the fastest path around the track. Smooth throttle application and careful braking are crucial to prevent wheel spin and maintain control, especially with such powerful cars. Be mindful of your tire wear. Aggressive steering can degrade them quickly. On long straights, use slipstreaming behind opponents to gain a speed advantage and set up overtakes. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.